What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the Country Investor. My name is Robert. If this is your first time tuning in. So today we have a good one. Today I'm just going to give you market updates, kind of just tell you what's going on in cryptocurrency, tell you what's going on in stocks, and some institutions as well. I have some earbuds now to hopefully provide some better sound quality for you guys. Let me know if it sounds any better for you guys as well. Um, so let's get right into it. Before we do that though, I'm gonna ask you guys, please give this video a like, definitely share, and definitely subscribe if you want to see more content like this. And let me know if y'all want to see just kind of news updates, or you want me to talk about specific stocks, cryptos, or real estate. Kind of let me know what you guys want, and I'll be more than happy to either do some more research if I don't know enough, or kind of discuss it on the channel as well. So first off, we have Jeff Bezos. This is news that just broke out earlier today. I got an alert on my phone. Jeff Bezos is going to be stepping down as the CEO for Amazon, which is possibly a good thing, possibly a bad thing for the stock. We'll find out here in a couple days kind of how the stock reacts to the news of Jeff Bezos stepping down as the CEO. I believe he's like 57 years old, so he's not too old, but he brought the company to where it is today, so we'll see what happens with that. I think in Q3 is whenever that will take effect, when Jeff Bezos decides to step down. Second on the agenda is Tesla. Tesla's back up. It was at 700, mid 700s, low 700s. Not too long ago, last week, it was in the 700, trading at 700. It's now trading around 850, 870. I think 880 at last checked while I was making this video. So I did take some profits when it came back up as well. And I'll probably buy back in once it starts to drop again as well. That's one thing kind of want to get into the mindset of. Again, this is not financial advice, just my opinion. Whenever I see red days, those are usually days that I'll buy. Green days are usually days I will sell if it's something I'm looking to trade. Most of the time I usually just buy and hold, but if it's something I'm looking to take profits on, green days are the days I do that. Red days are days I sell. So it's kind of hard. You kind of want to do the opposite mentally, but you got to get into that habit of training your mind that way. Third thing on the agenda is Ethereum. Ethereum is currently pumping at the moment. It is, I believe, at 1550 as I'm making this video. I bought back in when it was like $500, $700, and just been buying and buying and buying, taking profits, buying, taking profits, buying. And right now it's currently at $1,550. So that's insane from where it was at a couple months ago at $500 something, and even lower before that. Also, Bitcoin is up. Bitcoin is up. It's been trading around 32, 33, 34. It was hovering in that price point for pretty much the last week. Now it's back up at 35, so that's looking real good. So as far as Bitcoin's concerned, there's some big news coming out. Coming out February 3rd and 4th, which is tomorrow. I'm making this video on the 2nd. MicroStrategy is going to be holding a big conference, gathering up institutions, and kind of debriefing them on what Bitcoin is, how MicroStrategy was able to basically put all their money into Bitcoin without moving the markets or fluctuating the markets too much. All the legal background, all the taxes, all that stuff. They're basically going to debrief all these larger institutions and companies, basically how they can go about doing the same thing as they did. Again, this is going to take place on February 3rd and 4th. This could possibly be a good thing for Bitcoin. They're mainly Michael Saylor, who is in charge of MicroStrategy, who's going to be holding the conference as well. He mainly focuses on Bitcoin. So this could be a huge pump for Bitcoin. You could possibly see that here in the short term as well. I don't believe all these institutions will probably, jump on the situation or, get invested in Bitcoin, right then and there. There may be a couple, but I'd probably expect to see a lot of this happen over the next couple of months, if not few weeks. They'll probably take this playbook back to their, legal team and see what they think about this. Should we do this? How should we go about this? What do you think about this idea? And then we'll kind of see some, more money coming in, flowing into Bitcoin. That's just my thinking. I could be wrong, but we'll see what happens. Next thing, it's been all over the news. GME, AMC, GameStop, and the theaters have been really pumping. I personally, I did buy one stock of GME. I lost like $200, and I was like, no, I'm not gonna. I just bought one because I was limited to one, which is good because I would have bought any more than that anyway, more than likely. I already had seen it kind of late. Yeah, I was mainly pumping because of the Reddit forums, which I'm not going to mention here. does have a cuss word in there. But yeah, so GME, AMC are pumping because of Reddit. Basically, these people, small people like us, we just basically they got together. They said they're gonna put all their money, all their funds, buy up the stock because they saw it was over shorted 140%, which you can't have over 100%. And in reality, you can't have over 100%. It was shorted by 140%. So hats off to them. Great job. A lot of millionaires were made based off of those two stocks. So mainly GME, GameStop. So incredible for them to even figure that out. That's awesome. Robinhood. So Robinhood is now having some lawsuits basically filed against them for basically limiting the amount of stock they can buy. They removed the buy option on some of these stocks as well, GME, AMC, and the list goes on as well. So it's believed that they may have manipulated the market, which I'm not going to get into that here, but I mean, who knows, right? Who knows what's going on behind the background? I have no idea, and I don't really want to speculate too much because I'm not too sure. Who knows? I don't work there, so. But Robinhood is having some lawsuits filed against them for that, and it probably did. I really don't want to get into it, but yeah, it probably did affect the market because you could only have the sell button that was available, no buy button. So, I mean, go figure, right? 8 is XRP. XRP was pumping. It went up to like almost close to $1, 80 something cents, close to $1. Basically, a lot of people, same thing, kind of like the Reddit forums. They got together and they pumped up XRP, and it's basically a pump and dump. They raised the price, dumped it. I actually hold XRP, but I held it way before this even happened. Bought it way back at like 20 something cents. So I still hold on to it. Not gonna sell it. See what happens with the lawsuit that they have as well. So 9th on the board is MicroStrategy. Just invested another 10 mil, I believe. Yesterday or today, they invested another 10 mil into Bitcoin. So again, they're pouring more and more money into Bitcoin. So that's great news for Bitcoin as well. 10, Elon Musk. He changed his hashtag. On his Twitter, he hashtagged Bitcoin. Obviously, you saw a good pump of Bitcoin when he did that. And again, he did come out and say that he's late to the party, but he's here now. So I'm not sure if that means he bought Bitcoin or not. Still kind of speculating out there if he did or he didn't. But this is a good thing to have, the richest man in the world backing Bitcoin now, admitting that he was late to the party. So there you have it, guys. That's a quick little update of what's going on within the last week or two. So hope y'all guys saw some value in that and y'all enjoyed that as well. Let me know what else you want to see on the channel. I'm more than happy to go over it, research it, look at it, and read it and discuss it here on the channel as well. Without further ado, guys, be careful, be good, take care, and God bless. And please give this video a like, share, and subscribe.